Hello students, welcome in our next video class. As you know that in our previous video we have completed our chapter, and I think you all have learned it very well, you all have read it very well and understood it very well. So that's why today what we are going to do? Today we are going to do solutions of that chapter. Okay, so with this video I'll provide you PDF format also in your WhatsApp group, so that you can do your homework from that PDF. But with that I am also providing you this video, because in this video we will discuss about the question answer of our chapter. Okay, so let's start to do our question answer. So here is our first question. So take your books also and do your questions with me, and just try to give answer with me. I'll give you few seconds to just think your question answer, the answers of your questions. So your first question is, we are giving answer in a few words. So how old are Maggie and Tommy? The age. What was the age of Maggie? Maggie 13 years. Tommy, sorry, 11 years. Tommy 13 years old. Okay. Now what did Maggie write in her diary? What she wrote in her diary? We can see it in our first page, that she wrote in her diary that on 17th of what? 17th of, in your first page, 17th of May 2157 ki she wrote in her diary on 17th May 2157 that Tommy found a real book. What she wrote? She wrote that on 17th May 2157 Tommy found a real book. Okay. Question number third. Had Maggie ever seen a book before? Tell me the answer of this question. Had seen a book before? क्या उसने देखी थी बुक पहले? No, before it she never saw this type of printed book in her life. Okay, so the answer is no, she had never seen a book before. Okay, question number 4. What things about the book did she find strange? Now tell me, what was the strange things in that book? Instead of her computer's chapter or computer's textbook, what was the different things? Tell me. You can find it in your book also, and on page number 6 in paragraph number 1st you can see very well. What was the strange thing? The strange thing was that the words of that book was not moving as the words were moving in computer screen. Okay, very good. Now your next question. What do you think a telebook is? What is telebook? I have described it in your book also. Yeah, I have taught it very well in your book. Tell me, what is your telebook? What is the meaning of telebook? Yeah, tele means television. Book, that can be seen, that is seen in any computer screen or any television screen. So these types of books are called telebooks. Okay. Now next question. Where was Maggie's school? Did she have any classmates? So where was the Maggie's school? Was she going to any building? No. Where was the Maggie's school? Maggie's school was in her home. You can see that just next to her bedroom. This one is bedroom, and we can read in our chapter, or we have read in our chapter, we can read in our chapter that she was studying just next of her bedroom, a room that was just next to her bedroom. So this one was her school. Okay, so this was her school. So we can say कि just next to her bedroom was her school. Did she have any classmates? No, she was studying alone there. Okay, next question. What subjects did Maggie and Tommy learn? Find out in your book and tell me the answer. Okay, I am going to tell you. Maggie was learning geography and mathematics, and the Tommy was learning history and mathematics. You can see very well, or you can read very clearly in your book. Maggie was studying geography, and in the last of chapter, in the last part of the chapter, you can see very well there that the author was, the computer teacher was saying him to do some arithmetic work. So this one is belongs to maths. Okay, and this, who was reading these two subjects? Maggie. Okay, and Tommy, tell me, what was Tommy studying there? Yeah, one is maths and second one is history. Because there was an incident in your chapter that when his history sector of computer teacher or mechanical teacher become rough or become bad, at that time the county inspector took his computer teacher or mechanical teacher with him to mend that or to resolve that problem. Okay, so Tommy was studying history and maths, and Maggie was studying geography and maths. Okay, is it clear? Now answer the following with reference to the story. Here we have given a quotation or a line, and up from belongs to that line we have three questions here. Okay, and we will give answer according to that line. The line is, I wouldn't throw it away. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? I wouldn't throw these away. Remember your story. Who was saying these words? Maggie. Maggie was saying these words. And question number second is, what does it refer to? किसके संदर्भ में है ये? It refers to that real book. When Tommy asked from him that do you like it or not, do you want to throw it, at that time she said that I don't want to throw this book, I like it. So about whom or about which book it is refers to? It is refers to that real book that Tommy found. Okay, next third question is, what is it being compared with by the speaker? With whom it was comparing? Maggie was comparing it with the telebook. Very simple. Okay, question number 2. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. So who says this refers to? Who says this line? Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. Definitely when Maggie asked from Tommy about the teacher, at that time she told her, Tommy told her that it was about a teacher that is a human being. Okay, so who does they refer to? They refer to people of old times, about whom the Tommy is talking in this chapter. Okay, second one, what does regular mean here? Regular mean here. Regular means refers to here for the mechanical teacher. Okay, it wasn't a regular teacher. Who was the regular teacher at that in future time? Mechanical teacher. Who is it contrasted with? Who is it contrasted with? Okay, contrasted means comparing with. Okay, so tell me, think about it. Okay, here the Tommy is comparing with the normal teacher of earlier times who was a living human being, because in this line that has given here, in this line Tommy is talking about the mechanical teacher, and he is contrasting with, means he is comparing with the teacher of earlier times, older times that were human beings. Okay, so this one was the answer of your second question. Now we are going to do answer of third part, and which we will give in about 30 words. So each of these are questions in a short paragraph, about 30 words. Okay, and we are going to do our first question. So I think the earlier questions you have learned it very well, and you have understood it very well. Now come to the next point. What kind of teachers did Maggie and Tommy have? It's very simple. We have discussed on it earlier. What kind of teacher at that time, in future the Maggie and Tommy has? Mechanical teacher, definitely, but how you will expand it? This is the answer of in a single or two word. Then how will expand it? Now you will expand it about the characteristics of the computer mechanical teacher. Okay, so what you will write about him? That they were taught on computer screens, they were taught on computer screens by the mechanical teachers, they are not coming regularly at their homes, they were not human beings, they were mechanicals, and they have not a living life. And we can say here that the word that are teaching on computer screens were moving fast. So all these things you can write here in this answer. Why did Maggie's mother send for the county inspector? What happened when she sent for the county inspector? Tell me first, what is county inspector? What is the meaning of county inspector? As I have told you earlier, county inspector is a mechanic. Who is county inspector? County inspector is a mechanic. So why her mother called mechanic? Yeah, you can see in your paragraph third. Okay, why she called for the mechanic? She called for the mechanic because the sector, geography sector of the computer was moving very fast, and it was putting that part was putting question very fast, and the Maggie was doing worse and worse. Maggie बुरा से बुरा कर रही थी. Her performance was not good. That's why her mother called for a county inspector. Okay. What did he do? He means here the county inspector. So what did the county inspector do there? क्या किया county inspector ने वहाँ पे? Very simple. You can see also this question's answer in your same page. On page number 7, paragraph number 5, you can see the part number 5, you can see here the answer of this question. He told her mother that the geography sector was geared very fast, a little too quick, so those things happen sometimes. So he managed that gear sections up to the level of a 10-year girl, or we can say the IQ of a 10-year girl. Okay, so see, he slowed down that sector. Now the next question is, why was Maggie doing badly in geography? This is the same answer of our earlier question, the question number 2. Why she was doing worse? Because the geography sector was moving very fast. What did the county inspector do to help her? He regulated that sector and slowed down at the IQ level of a 10-year girl. Very simple. Okay, next question, question number 5. what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Okay, once the Tommy's teacher was moving very fast, so that's why the county inspector took him with himself to manage his computer or mechanical teacher. So here the Maggie was also thinking that he would also take my teacher for a month, because he took Tommy's computer or Tommy's mechanical teacher for a month with himself. Okay, so here now the next question, question number 6. Did Maggie have regular days and hours for school? Yes, definitely. She had regular days and hours for school. If so, why? Why she had regular days and hours for school? Because her mother was thinking that a little girl learned better if they learned at regular hours. You can see in the first 2 lines of page number 9 of this question's answer. Now question number 7. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? How did Tommy describe the old kind of schools? It's very simple. Tommy described about the old kind of schools that at that time, in that old time, they had buildings, children or students, or we can say kids, went there together from neighborhood to study there. At that time they had a teacher. Which type of teacher? A physical, or we can say a man was there to teach them. They were taught together the same things at that time. Okay, they laughed each other with each other. They shouted in the schools. They had very much fun at that time. So these were things he described about the school. Now question number 8. How does he describe the old kind of teacher? He described that at the old time the teachers were living beings. They were human beings. They gave homework to the students. Students were also taking help from each other. At that time there were not any type of mechanical teacher. The living human beings make fun with the kids to learn them. So all these things you can write in this answer. Okay, clear? Now answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs, means 100 to 150 words, long answer type questions. The first question is, what are the main features of the mechanical teacher and the school rooms that Maggie and Tommy have in the story? We have done it very well in our previous questions. So you will write yourself here right now. Okay? And next, why did Maggie hate school? You know very well, Maggie hated school because the computer teacher, or we can say the mechanical teacher, was asking questions very regularly, and she was doing worse and worse. She was not up to the marks. She was not doing up to the marks, and her mother was so much frustrated from it. So that's why she hated the school. And the next question in the same question is, why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Because in old kind of schools there were not any mechanical teacher. At that time the living human beings were the teacher. Students were going together. They were making fun. They shouted at that time. They were taking help from each other. Teachers were also taking the part as we can say friend, or they were also helping each other in doing works. So they were given homeworks, they were learning together. So that's why she was thinking that at that time they had much fun in their school. Okay, so now question number 3rd. Do you agree with Maggie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? So what you will do here? Give reason for your answer. So you will write your own views for this question. So you will write about the Futures School, the school in which they are reading, okay, mechanical teachers, about computer screens, computer lessons you will write here, and after that you will write the old times school, okay, and you will give your reasons to compare with each other, okay. So I think you have understood all these questions very well. So in our next video we will do our next chapter, okay. Thank you and have a nice day.